My first and very own action camera, the GoPro Hero 6 in black. This is one of the best action cameras you can purchase if you're not tight on your budget. The GoPro Hero 6 costs in between £300 and £500 from brand new to second hand. But it's always best to check online for a good deal if you're planning on getting this little buddy. On the front it states the main specs of a 12 megapixel camera, maximum resolution of 4K at 60 frames per second, and it's able to go underwater of 33 feet without any case attached. But I personally recommend you do get one to avoid any disappointments. On the side it shows more of the specifications, which includes voice activation and a touchscreen. On the back it shows their very own application called Quick Stories, which enables you to compile all your footage into one video. So if you don't have any video editing skills, this application will do it for you. On the other side it shows you all the accessories you will get, which we will go through them shortly. Now to take the GoPro off, first unscrew and remove this clamp. Push up the rubber seal and now push in the clips and slide forward to release. Let's see what you get inside the box. You will get two self-adhesive mounts. This one is slightly curved and this one is flat. You will get one USB Type-C cable, one GoPro battery. Do not cut this little flap as this is for pulling out the battery from the camera. It's best to buy a couple of more batteries as a backup. You will get two GoPro stickers, booklet full of safety instructions and important information. The leaflet clearly mentions you break it, we replace it. There's a care option for your GoPro camera. The GoPro cameras originally comes with a 12 months manufacturer's warranty. Inside the leaflet it gives you brief instructions on getting started with this camera. And finally we have the GoPro Hero 6, similar design towards the GoPro Hero 5, small and compact. Let's take this out of the case to get a better look. Already comes with a plastic case and has a huge lens to capture wide angle shots. Cases and additional lens are available to purchase. On the top side it has a mic, a side button to shovel through different modes. This is a screen protector with an illustration image which peels off quite easily. Another mic, and by carefully opening its door you will find a HDMI port and a USB Type-C port. This side door is also detachable. You have your speaker at the bottom and I believe next to it is another mic too. Nice rugged effect on this camera for a better hold. Right, time to get this up and running. Slot in your micro SD card in here. I do advise using a Class 10 U3 and a high capacity for that extra capture and resolution. Slot in your battery and switch on. Low battery already, that's a surprise. Choose your language at the pop-up screen. Agree to the terms. Now you have the option to capture your location. At this time we'll keep it off. More pop-ups. Tap below to change the modes and settings, which are the bottom icons. Right, got that. Swipe left to access additional settings. Swipe down to connect to other devices. Swipe right for all your media. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. It will now ask you to change the time and date. And I guess now we are ready. But before we carry on, the battery level are showing 1%. So let me go and charge this up. Now after an hour of charge, it gave me over 50% of battery life, which is not bad. Now by clicking on the mode button, you are able to go through different capture options you like. Burst, time-lapse, video and photo. On photo you have a linear or wide shot option in which you can zoom in or out. Click on the top button once to capture a photo. In the burst mode you can change the burst rate and photos per second. Once selected, click on the top button to capture. Video mode, there is a wide range of options. You have linear, wide or a super view screen in which you can zoom in or out except for the super view. You can change the frame rates to capture smooth shots or slow motion. In resolution you have 720p to 4K at 60 frames per second. Now if we swipe down to settings, we have voice activation. In connections we have different connectivity options. In preferences we have a lot of settings. We can adjust this camera to our best usage by this control panel. Now let's try one of its main features, which is voice activation. GoPro start recording. GoPro stop recording. GoPro take a picture. GoPro turn off. By swiping right, you can see all the pictures and playback videos you have made. Once auto lock is on, it will lock the screen to avoid any accidental touches. Another cool feature is that if you turn your camera upside down, it will automatically capture right way up. This action camera is super light, weighing in only 117 grams. That can be easily mounted on any way you like using additional accessories you can get. So far from what I see, I'm happy with the GoPro Hero 6. Its features and quality of footage with awesome stabilization from other reviews I've seen has sold me in getting one of the best action cameras out there. The shell of the camera is solid built, but I always do advise to place a casing on top just in case of damaging the screen or lens. As I mentioned before guys, on this channel I will be doing a lot of traveling, as this camera will be the best to capture my moments. Now I will be doing a test footage on this GoPro Hero 6, so stay tuned guys, and I should catch you in the next one. GoPro turn off.